Oh, yahoo!
Hey, what on earth is going on?
Why, it looks like we're down on the farm.
What's a farm, Gramps?
Huh? Why, a farm's a marvelous place. Yeah, I was on one once. It's where they grow food and they raise animals.
One of the big children has forgotten an entire barnyard. May we go down and see the animals? Oh, please, please, we've never been to a farm.
Why, sure, let's go. Come on, follow me.
Look, everyone. They think I'm their mommy. It's like follow leader.
What beautiful horns you have. Excuse me, I was just leaving.
Hey, what you doing? That's not straw, you know. See, we're toothbrushes. We have a very important job to do. We keep people's teeth and gums healthy. We couldn't do it without these bristles. You don't get it, huh? Well, you listen here, and my family will tell you all about it. Come on, gang. Let's sing them the toothbrush song.
Brush your teeth, round and round, circles small, gums and all.
A small, soft toothbrush the round and round way will keep your gums healthy and stop tooth decay. So clean very carefully 3 times a day.
Round and round, yeah. Round and round. Yeah, you're right. You have an important part in tooth care, too. After all, that milk that you give helps keep teeth strong.
Say, Harry, what animal is green, has 6 legs, and a red nose?
Hey, man, I don't know.
I don't know either, but it's crawling up your back.
Yeah! Oh, yeah, hey!
My goodness, what a dirty creature. Come, children. We must find a cleaner puddle.
Wait.